Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Galaxy Slime from Dollar Tree. So let's open this up. This color is really beautiful, and I can see why they call it a Galaxy Slime. It gives us a galaxy color effect, and it's a water slime. Usually I hate water slimes, but this one seems very promising. Let's see if it stretches. So if I pull it slowly, it stretches, but if I do that, it just rips apart. Let's see if I can make a perfect circle. So, I guess I tried to make a perfect circle, but it's good enough though. Let's see how I can put this one back in. So I'm gonna make it like narrow, so then I can put it in easily. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!